Hello guys, it's your girl here, Miss Elizabeth. Guys, welcome back to my amazing video. And guys, this is a continuation of my previous video. So here we have just arrived. As you can see, we were using tuk-tuk as a means of transport. And guys, honestly, I've never used tuk-tuk as a means of transport. I've never, sijawai panda tuk-tuk. It was my first time, and the experience, honestly, it was half or nose, if that is what I can say, because unatetemeshwa huko ndani. But I guess that was the only means at that particular point, because from the Voi station to Voi town, the only means was tuk-tuk. So it was a pleasure, because I was, nilikuwa napanda tuk-tuk for the first time, and honestly it was just half, let's say. So that is me trying to record for you guys. We are heading to Voi town at this particular moment, and guys, this journey was amazing. Honestly, at this point I was just asking myself, what would be the outcome, coming all the way from Nairobi to Taita County. The expectations are high, and you don't know what will happen. But above all, I just had to do this, let me tell you guys, there are some things you just have to do to uogope to that fear, or to cross the other way, because if you won't accept uache kuogopa, then there are so many things you won't be able to reach, So at this particular moment, I was just talking to myself and speaking to myself inside, and just saying, Liz, you are a grateful person, and you are going far, no matter the little that you're doing, or the small achievements. You have a purpose. I was just trying to talk to myself, encourage myself. Even if I was recording, I was honestly trying to, speaking to myself positivity, because at the back of my mind, I was just like, people will always judge you. Why would you come all the way from Nairobi to Taita, But honestly, I just had to have that confidence and move regardless. So this is the beauty of Taita County, and honestly, the camera is not doing justice, or it's not giving justice to this particular place, because it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I don't know if it's the weather at this particular point, ama kuna wakati weather inabadilika, but honestly, this is the place to visit. I can highly recommend. It's beautiful. The mountains, the people of that place, they are so welcoming and so lovely. I have never seen people watu kama hawa, because they are so welcoming. Tulipatana na mwingine, and she was like, karibu nyumbani dada. I met so many people welcoming us, And guys, at this particular point, shift and tukapanda matatu, tuliacha tuk-tuk venye tulifika Voi town. So we took a matatu heading to Mwatate. Yes, so this is the road to Mwatate County, or Mwatate district. Yeah, as you can see, the mountains, everything was super cute. And guys, the weather was about to rain, or it was about to rain a few minutes. The people are amazing. Alafu, something that I noticed, the environment, it's so cool. The people there are so lovely, like yuko watu aina watu wengi kama other countries, this country has few people, peaceful country, calm, I just loved everything about this place, guys. Let me give you a moment to just enjoy the beautiful view, the beautiful Taita County, because even I've told you, even the camera, it's not doing justice. This place is beautiful, especially the red soil, the green, the trees. When we were closer to reach, it started raining. Like, honestly, it's beauty because it was just blessing. Imagine going somewhere and it starts raining before even you reaching the destination. This rain really meant a lot because at the back of my mind, I was just asking myself, like, Liz, will you do this? Can you do this alone? Will you manage? And this rain was like an assurance, like you got this, sis, you got this, Liz, like you can do it, And we reached a place called Kamtonga Primary School. So Kamtonga, I think it's this village which is called Kamtonga. At this particular point, we were almost reaching the destination, guys. The rains really meant a lot to me because that was an assurance that no matter if you are on your own, you can still do it, I usually watch the stories of so many travelers such as Dim Wango, Sean Arwa, Trudy, Miss Trudy, and they really do encourage me, at some point. And I was just asking myself at the back of my mind, like, Liz, can you really do it? Can you really have that courage and confidence? But at this particular point, that rain really meant a lot. It was an assurance that you are going to make it, Liz. You got this, and it really meant a lot, guys. And without any further ado, we have reached at the destination. This is Mwatate. This place it's called Mwatate, and we had to grab a snack because honestly we had not eaten anything and we had to grab a snack. I have two sisters, these two sisters of mine. Okay, they're not biological, but they are my good friends. And guys, we arrived at the place. So this is the room that me and my friend did spend the night there. I think 2 nights we spent our nights here, guys, So this is the place where we used to place the shoes. There was a chair there. It looked like Ila Ushago. Yes, because we are in Ushago and it was bringing the vibe, Yeah, and that chair or this table exactly this was our working area. This is where we used to edit our videos, and there were some bags there because the room didn't have something like a closet, and we had our snacks there, our water. And I remember that day I really had a bad headache, so I had to grab some few maramoja or Panadol so that they can ease the pain. Yeah, guys, so this was our working area, and we had this bed over here. Honestly, I loved the bed sheets. Everything was clean, white, clean, and I love white bed sheets. So this was a bonus, and there was a chair there whereby when you kilala, you can place your phone there. Yeah, and the room had a net or mosquito net, which we ended up not using. Yeah, guys, so this is the bed. We were sleeping here with me and my friend. It's so spacious. I think it's a 5x6. Yeah, and the mattress was so comfy. I think hata ilikuwa na springs or something like that. And we had the window over there and the curtain. Okay, there's nothing much here to show. Yeah, I don't think there's much here to show. This is the bathroom where we were, doing our thing, and the toilet over there. There was a shower there, though it was ilikuwa imerust, yeah, and the water was plenty. Hakuna siku maji ilikosa. Yeah, there's no much here to show, honestly. Kuna slippers hapo whereby unaweza vaa ukiingia chooni ama ukienda kuoga, na kulikuwa pia na button ya maji moto. If you want to use hot water, you can use. And the other one was for the lights. There's no much to show here. I know it's just like a simple room, guys. Guys, do you know the reason why I'm recording this vlog? I'm not recording like this place is poor or anything. I'm just recording this video for myself because I know someday I'll be traveling and I'll be going to big hotels, and one day I'll look at this video and be like, God, who are you? Because I believe God is taking me there. So yeah, so I'm taking this video for myself to be a motivation to me. Like, it is possible. You came from far and it is possible for you to go far, and let this video be a motivation to you. Like, let your situation not limit you. Go out there, man. Go out there. Do what it takes you. No matter what people say, people will always talk. People will always say whatever they want to say, but keep your head up. Keep your head up and do what you have to do. Usiangalia hata what your family will say or anything. Just keep the good mood going and mtambulishe tu Mungu in everything, and everything will be successful. So I have recorded this video. Like, I know one day God will atanipeleka viwango vingine or level vingine, and I know I'll come here to testify to you guys, and I'll look at this video and say like, was it me who booked such a room? It is a testimony. It is a testimony. And guys, it is time to manifest good things to your life. Learn to manifest good things, man. Jitamke maneno mazuri, because at the end of the day, they usually say words have power. So manifest good things. Like, this is not where I should be, but I know where I'm supposed to be, or I'm going far. Be your own motivator. Because I just wanted that space for me to shoot this video for you guys. So in the middle of shooting, my friend came out from the shower, and I decided like, why should I delete this video, Yeah, guys. Guys, honestly, right now I feel so proud of myself. I'm so proud of myself. Like, doing the little achievements for yourself, or doing something for yourself, like with your own money. I feel like it's an achievement for me, you know. Like coming all the way from my home to this place to run a few errands without any help from any person. Like it really means a lot to me, honestly. Like I can do it. And let me tell you something. Kindly go follow D Mwango on YouTube. That girl, if you are a girl, that girl like will open up your mind, you know. Like ataku encourage akwambia like me, I'm coming. Yani that girl comes from the streets of Nyabuhansi, deep in the village, you know. And she's still the same person, traveling all over the world, like name it, Europe, Switzerland, London, like name it. And she comes from deep in the village. Like, let your situation not limit to just stay in the same place just because you don't believe in yourself, you don't trust yourself. Like, just gain that courage. Utapata things are flowing, you know. And don't be choosy. Don't be choosy. No matter the environment, don't be choosy. Just be flexible. Because they usually say, mkulima hachagui jembe. So, be a wise family.